Hi, Kane with Next Day Signs. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how you set up static cling for your windows. Static cling is a really easy thing to apply, as you'll see here in a second. It's also just a great option for either permanent signage or maybe seasonal signage that you need to take down and put back up. If you are going to do that, though, be sure you keep your paper backing. So first things first, you have to be sure that you've wiped down your entire window, especially the area where you're going to apply. And once you've gotten all your dirt or other grime off of the window, we just add a little bit more of your water and lightly spray the area where you're going to put your signage. Then you're going to peel off the paper backing. This is a pretty small print, so it's okay to go ahead and just take off the whole backing. But if you did have a larger piece, you'd first just cut off a top inch with some scissors of the paper backing, and you'd first attach that top part. In this case, as I said, we can just go ahead and sort of press the whole thing on there. Now, the water behind it helps it to be able to move and work around a little bit easier. You can also use a squeegee. If you don't have a soft squeegee at home, you can always use a credit card. Just make sure you wrap around a paper towel to give it a soft edge. If you use just the credit card, it has the chance of scratching your print. You don't want that, obviously. But then you can just use your squeegee to sort of press out any bubbles, press out the water that's sort of sitting behind it. Just large sweeping motions. So you've gotten all your bubbles out. There you go. Prints up on the wall. All right, and as I said before, these prints are super easy to take off. Take off just as easily as they go on. All that's connecting them to the wall is static, no adhesive whatsoever. So you just pull up a corner, and boom, just like that, peels right off. If you keep your paper backing, like I said, you can use it again. And that's static cling.